Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this very ongoing, very crucial civil justice sign off provided for myself. For it is United States of America with fatal negligence created the robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty to I and enforced finance disability to I and enforced finance credit to I. So I have to sign this civil justice sign off in front of all the nations, 7.9 plus billions of humans, and United States of American nation, handcuffed mode, kneel down mode in front of all nations will provide me the rightful justice, okay, according to the Holy Bible guidelines. So I will quickly run through this civil justice sign off. Victims of abuse patients' medical compensations claims billing process as of February 2021. Prostitution Babylon USA at fault found guilty in all counts of crime of Vatican for with fatal negligence. USA nation created robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and as of February 2021. A nation having civil law agency do not have birthrights to allow criminal justice in nation, and it is fatal negligence of criminal justice and civil justice agency of USA for created robocall poverty mandate because of fatal negligence, and it is deadliest crime enough for nation to be sealed and shut down for disqualified to be nation. Antichrist, Lucifer, Satan, Roman province Jesuits, Vatican Pope Francis created finance law, hell poverty mandate. So civil justice for at fault found guilty USA nation is Part A, USA prostitution, criminal Britain, James Bond movies that comes with 007, you know, that old music of the James Bond movies. And they must sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion deposit to my bank account for fatal negligence and created robocall poverty mandate. Right. And poverty B and part B use in prostitution, civil law is Britain James Bond movies not 7 must sign off another tax free $500,000 and 1,000,000 direct deposit to my bank account for Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis only created the N word and dogs addressed mankind and destroyed human brain nerves. When not 7 James Bond movie is healthiest, why would even Queen Elizabeth even bother to create the N word? So can you all see how I'm proving crime in a crime, proof in a proof, right? So it is all a multitasking. Get it? So, and this destruction is provided worldwide. This James Bond movie is displayed everywhere, right? But then what good did it do to the humanity? Nothing. Right? People had to pay the dollars, get their brain destroyed. That's all it did. And Queen Elizabeth was showering dollars for that. I already said, well, whenever people creates hell, Queen Elizabeth will throw a dollar. Oh my gosh. So are you all getting it? Why USA government operations is destroyed? And prostitution usation took away $4,500 in October 2018. And with fatal negligence, that fall found guilty, USA nation enforced crime 1, USA nation poverty mandate to I, where the Priya Prose, and crime 2 is USA nation finance disability took away $4,500 on October 2018, mandated disability to I, where the Priya Prose. And crime 3 is USA nation finance debt $10,210.38, mandated to I, where the Priya Prose. Then domestic violence types is breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land, chattels and types, and at fault found guilty. Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh told the rightful job belonged to I. Vedapriya Prose, for I. Vedapriya Prose should have been elected as the Supreme Court Judge of USA on October 2018. And just to steal the rightful job belonged to I. Vedapriya Prose alone, Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, and Brett Kavanaugh created robocall poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Prose on October 2018. And I. Vedapriya Prose wants civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. And that is, Roman Province Vatican leader Antichrist Pope Francis must resign now. At least he could have said to the Britain, hey, Britain, James Bond movie, not 7 is a very sexual, immoral movie. Please ban it, right? He's God of USA. He jumped from heaven. Perfect Republica, holy, and that to God of Britain, God of USA, what not? God of entire world. But he failed in his job. So I want him to resign now. And I become the Vatican leader. It's a direct slap on his face, right? He's been fooling the people around. Not anymore. He'll be thrown in the volcano in ashes. Watch and see. So, for the fatal negligence of the criminal law and civil law in all 50 states of USA, accumulated to what? 100 counts of fatal negligence. For total count of 100 counts of fatal negligence of criminal law agency and civil law agency of USA, Jesuits Roman province of USA must pay me tax-free $100 billion and direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second, and I Vedapriya Prose to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice. I hope we are all in the same page on this regard. And as my dear fellow mankind, I have to get the finance share, I have to get the salary, I have to get the national benefits, I have to get the job offer signed off. Right? Yeah, I'm asking whatever that rightful belongs to me. They stole it from me. USA do not have any rights to create poverty to me. Right? So I have to get it in front of entire human nation, in front of all nations, because United States of America do not have lawyers yet, do not have judges yet, do not have teachers yet. The USA don't know what is government. USA don't know what is nation. USA don't know anything. I had to step in and educate everything from the scratch. Okay, and you are also seeing how innocent USA nation is, right? Can you all see how innocent USA is? Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now, my dear fellow mankind.